Hey everyone, my name is Christopher and this is my review for the HP Omen 1100 mechanical keyboard. It's a full-size keyboard with numeric pad. I bought it for 150 Australian dollar, not very budget for a mechanical keyboard. It has generic blue switches, single color and no macro keys or media keys. To be honest though, this is the loudest keyboard that I know. It has a built-in cable which is undetachable and no additional port. You can adjust the light of the keyboard by installing the driver. I'll leave the driver website in the description below. And with the software installed, you can remap the keys in gaming mode, and there are plenty of lightning choices. Overall, this keyboard is for those who want a clicky keyboard, minimalist design, and those who are red color enthusiasts. I leave the official website down in the description if you wanna check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.